So this is how to bulk assign the products belonging to a given category to a second category. For example, in this test website, I have the automotive category with 765 products and 0 products instead in the automotive and clothing product category. Let's imagine that I want to feature these products that belong to a specific category also into a second category. So what do I do? First of all, I click on the count, which is a link and will open all the products belonging to that specific category in a table view. As you can see, I am under all products and the category filter with automotive is active, which means that I'm able to only see the 765 items that I want to also assign to the second category. So I have 39 pages, so you might want to adjust this view to say usually 100. No images, no SKU, no stock, no price, no feature, no date. So something super clean. I'm going to apply, and as you can see now, you will get a table with you have the name and the current categories. So what you do, you just click in here to bulk select whatever quantity of items that you have in this page, which I've set to 100 in the previous step. And now I click on bulk actions, edit, and apply. At this stage, you will see that a brand new window opens with the list of product categories. Now, if I want to copy all these products that were belonging to automotive to also automotive and clothing, all I have to do is ticking this checkbox and then scroll down to update. Usually don't select more than 100 because otherwise the memory might not be enough. But as you can see, I've just updated 100 products and you have the proof here that worked, because now the first 100 products are belonging to both automotive and clothing. So what you have to do then, just go to page 2, repeat the same exact operation. So you go and bulk select all items, you go to bulk actions, edit, apply, window open, select the second category and update. And here we go. So another 100 products were updated, verify that they belong to both, switch to page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 based on how many items you have, and redo the same operation. And again, in a few minutes, you will have achieved your goal.